Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to see your saved posts or how to delete them or how to unsave them on Instagram. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and come to your profile section. In the profile section, just simply tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then here you can see a saved option after the QR code option. Just simply tap on it, saved option, and then here it will show all of your saved posts which you have saved on Instagram. Just simply tap on them. So here you can see that what you have saved on Instagram, and then here it will show reels, and in this section it will show the post. So if you want to unsave a particular post on Instagram, just simply select it and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then here you can see unsave option at the very first. Just simply tap on it in order to unsave. So that's how you can easily unsave a particular post on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any questions, just leave in the comment section below, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys.